Hello everyone, welcome back to this particular session. In this session, we are going to start with the Verilog code development of our APB interface. So let us try to understand how we are going to perform the Verilog code for our APB interface. So before that, let me once share my screen. 1 minute. So we have already studied about what do you mean by an APB interface and what are the signals which are associated with our APB interface. This and all we have already completed and we have tried to understand what is the exact process which is going to happen, right? Now, what are we going to do in our Verilog code development is we are just going to design a simple APB master. We are just going to develop a simple APB master. This APB master is going to have our P clock, P address, and P enable and PW data, PR data. So these and all signals which we are going to have with our APB interface. Okay. And for this APB interface, we are going to develop a simple test bench. Okay. This particular test bench, it is going to drive all the signals like P clock. It is also going to take this P address. So APB master output is P address that this test bench is going to collect. And this P enable is output to our master, not an input, it's an output. PW data is also an output to the master, not an input. Okay. So this test bench is going to collect these signals P address, P enable, PW data. PR data is an input to our master and test bench is going to provide this particular input to our master. Okay. And also we are going to have something known as P ready. Okay. So this P ready signal is also given by our test bench. So we are going to develop our test bench such that our test bench is going to act as a slave and we have a master which is going to act as a master itself. Okay. So this is what we are going to develop in our Verilog, where master is going to provide the address, enable the W data, and it is going to take the ready signal and PR data signal, whereas test bench is going to take this particular address signal and all. Okay. So this is the major idea of what we are going to develop using our Verilog code. One is master and another is test bench. In the test bench itself, test bench is going to act as a slave, and in the test bench itself, we are going to instantiate our master. Okay. Yeah. So that is what we are going to discuss from our next session. So that's about this particular session. Thank you.